Hey, it's Joe Lyons from the-Automator, and thanks for watching this video. We're going to show you who won the contest for creating that survey. Maybe you can't tell I'm the-Automator because my background and office is different. And that's because I'm packing up and moving out into the sticks. Let me share my screen here. So I'm moving literally out into the country. Hey, at least I have power. That's the only thing about this house I don't like is that these power things are here. But the good thing is no one can really develop right behind me, so that'd be nice. But yeah, we're in the middle of moving out there. So I'm going to be a little silent this next week or 2 weeks, getting moved out there. But I did want to show you, let's see here. So we have 5 winners. So Jeff B, Devin G, Maciej S, Adam Q, Jason W. Thank all you guys for taking the survey. We got a little bit over 200 completes, so it's really helpful. And right now, we decided the first course we're going to build is on an intro to GUIs. And so Raptor X he's already started working on it. So thank you again for completing that survey. Helped us decide which course to make in our next couple courses. By the way, if you were interested, one of the big things in it was oops, that's the survey one. One of the big things in it was connecting to controls. And if you look in my intermediate Udemy course, so connecting to Windows controls is a super powerful thing. It's not for newer programs, right? You can't connect to the Windows ribbon, Microsoft ribbon, like in Excel and things like that. But older programs have these things called controls. And it's basically just a GUI that you can programmatically connect to. And in my intermediate course, I have like 40 separate videos. Each one's it's a couple minutes long, but I covered them pretty deeply in that course. And so we'll probably still make another course targeting specifically on controls, but for now, I would definitely say check that course out because it goes pretty deep on them, and they are amazing, right? Because it's a great way you can connect to older programs. Anyway, thank you guys for completing the survey so much. I'm really excited about moving. I also changed hosting providers, so you should see my website's a little snappier, and we're in the middle of also getting a LMS, which is a learning management system, installed in the subdomain. So we're going to have our courses on our site, and just lots going on. So I'm really excited. Thank you again, and I might be a little quiet this next week or two because I'm moving, but thank you so much, and thanks for your patience. Thank you. Cheers.